I got the phone call. The one that I was waiting for. You want to know what it was? We're getting the mower. The mower's coming today. I'm so excited. Can you tell? So it should be any minute. So join me to see what it looks like and to see how ridiculous I'll look driving it the first time. They're here.
Yeah.
Look at that suspension. Unbelievable. I'm ready to go for a ride. But first, my son has to teach me how to drive this thing because no, I think I drove a zero turn once, maybe. But I'm a newbie. He gonna be teaching his mama. Comfy. Woo! Trying to have a teenager teach you how to do something is like pulling teeth. Had to see the sheer dread, terror, and horror in my son's eyes when I started practicing mowing on his lawn. He was mortified. Somebody's got to learn somewhere. You got to make mistakes sometimes. Not everything is perfect immediately. Teenagers. Okay, another funny romance story. So I want to learn how to use our zero-turn mower. That's important because my kids are sometimes at their dad's and I have to mow. I have to know how to use the machinery on my property. That's me. I'm an independent woman too. So I asked Roman, he showed me, and I said, all right, I'm going to go test out the mower and I'm going to mow. I asked him to videotape me. He stood there like this. He stopped videotaping me. He went like this. He was completely mortified. He was devastated that I was disturbing his lines. His mow lines. Because I don't know what I'm doing, so I was driving like this. He was so upset with me. I said, Roman, you mow one more time and the lines will be fixed. I don't know how to control that machine yet. I have to learn somewhere. He's like, learn in the back, not in the front. This is my property.
But he treats your property well, Tanya.
And then I have to
property too. He's a
right. And I have to be so grateful that he has that much pride that I couldn't get mad at him being mad at me.
No.
I was shocked.
He's saying, oh, Lord, in the back so nobody sees. Here he did such a good job.
Funny. Hope you got a laugh out of me learning how to drive on the zero turn. And that concludes this episode. Thank you so much for joining us, friends. And we look forward to sharing more adventures with you. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Mama's House. We'll see you next time.